Okay, for these ones right here, these Dowgates, we have to graph these, each of these, with using just the picture that they give us. Here's the picture they give us. They give us vector u and they give us vector v. Each of these vectors forms a new vector, and you can name him whatever you want. We'll call this vector p. We'll call this vector t. We'll call this vector your mom. Okay, your mom vector. Let's do the mom vector, shall we? Okay. All right, so the mom vector starts with vector v, and that's a positive vector v, so it's actually going to be exactly like this. So let's start us off with that guy. So we got vector v. We're going to try to copy it exactly. It looks something like this. All right? And I'm going to draw a vector arrow like you guys like it. That's v. Okay, and then now we're starting here. This is our new initial point right there. Now we're going to do the opposite of half of u. What would be the opposite of u? If I look at u right here, he goes off to the left, right? U goes off to the left, and it goes that way. So what would the opposite be? He'd be this way. Okay, but the same length? No, half of it. So it'd be more like this. Does that look like it's about half of u? Is that 1/2 of negative u? Yeah, it kind of looks like it. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to go this way, kind of down to that direction. That might be a little too long. Okay, and that's negative half of u. It doesn't have to be perfect, but now this is where we are. So what's our new vector? It is this guy. Okay, the purple vector is your mom vector. This guy. Well, the answer is the purple line. The black line is the v vector, and the green line is half the opposite of the u vector. That's that one. And so that's where I end up. So this purple vector right here, the mom vector, this is what these two combined are. Okay, so the answer is the purple vector. The work is the black and the green vector. So let's do another one for clarification. We'll do the m vector. So number 15, this one was 18. For 15, it says u plus v. Okay, so how do we do that? Well, we're going to take the u vector, which actually goes like this. I'm just trying to copy the other one. Does that kind of look like the other one? Doesn't have to be exact, doesn't have to be perfect. So that's my u vector. And then let's do the v vector. Now, this is our new point. This is where we're at now. That's your new initial point before we graph the v vector. The v vector now goes this way. It kind of looks like that direction and about that long. Okay, so that's our new spot. That's where we end. So technically the m vector, which is what u plus v is, it just goes straight up from the origin up to that. So that purple line is the m vector that we were looking for. That's the solution.